Line App and Klover both help eligible users access money before payday, but they take different approaches. Line App is built around flexible cash flow management with financial tools, while Klover focuses on cash advances that are based on your linked banking activity. By the end of this video, you'll know how Line App and Klover compare, what each one does best, and which app is the better fit for your financial needs. If you're deciding between the two, the short answer is this. Choose Line App if you want a broader financial experience centered on managing your money. Choose Klover if you're looking for a cash advance app that evaluates your banking activity and keeps the process straightforward. Let's start with Line App. Line App is designed to help eligible users manage short-term cash flow while providing additional financial features within the same platform. After creating an account and meeting the app's eligibility requirements, users can access the services available to them through the app. The platform is intended for people who want more than just occasional access to cash. Along with its core financial services, it aims to help users stay on top of their everyday finances through an easy-to-use mobile experience. Now compare that with Klover. Klover connects directly to your bank account and reviews information such as recurring income, account history, and banking behavior when determining eligibility for cash advances. Instead of relying primarily on a traditional credit score, it uses your financial activity to evaluate your account. The app is focused on providing eligible users with cash advances, while also offering additional financial insights based on the banking information you choose to connect. So which app is better? Choose Line App if you want a financial app that emphasizes overall money management in addition to short-term financial support. Choose Klover if you prefer a platform that centers on bank account analysis and cash advances for eligible users. Neither app guarantees approval, and neither promises the same experience for every customer. Your eligibility depends on factors such as your banking activity, income, account history, and whether you meet each platform's requirements. Here's the bottom line. Line App and Klover are both designed to help eligible users manage short-term financial needs, but they emphasize different strengths. Line App leans toward a broader financial experience, while Klover places more focus on bank-connected cash advances and account-based eligibility. Your next step is to compare each app's eligibility requirements and available features before signing up. The better choice is the one that matches your banking habits and the financial tools you expect to use regularly. If this comparison helped you decide, like the video and subscribe for more comparisons of cash advance apps, digital banking platforms, and personal finance tools.